Today we will be doing an unboxing and review of the Bioré Original Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. We will first get into the unboxing of this product. Next, we can go ahead and look at our product features. With our product features, the description states that the Bioré pore strips instantly clean and unclog pores to purify your skin for the deepest clean in just 10 minutes, reduce blackheads, control oily skin, bind to blackheads and not skin using their patented technology, and safely and effectively remove dirt. So I've created a test here. So for our pore test, we have the description, and the product instructions were followed as seen in the picture. I first washed my face with warm water and facial wash. Next, I applied a bit of water to my nose as the pore strip will not stick to a dry nose. I waited 10 minutes before removing, and now you can look at the results. So when we look at the results, our first picture is the baseline photo that was taken after washing my face with warm water, and the second is a photo of the pore strip when it is applied to your nose. Finally, here's a video of the pore strip removal. I tried removing the pore strip multiple times with different time periods to experiment, and overall, the pore strips did not work that well for my skin. However, this does not mean that they will not work for you. If any viewers have any suggestions on how to better use the pore strips, please comment in the description below. And then finally, this product states that it should be used once a week. Use of more than once a week could result in irritated skin. It is in my opinion that the best way is to use with a skincare routine to prevent further blackheads on the nose or face. An additional caution is that using pore strips along with acne medication/treatment could further irritate and dry out your skin. Last, keep in mind that this product was tested during the wintertime, and products might differ in the summer when compared to the winter, as the skin tends to be drier during the winter season. Next, we can go ahead and look at our Amazon reviews here. So overall, it looks like we have a 4.4 out of 5 stars. I have broken it down into the overall, as you can see, and then also 3-star and a few 1-star reviews from verified purchasers. So for the 3-star reviews, one of the reviewers mentions that the strip hurt a bit after pulling it off. In my experience, these did hurt when pulling them off just a tiny bit, felt like ripping off a band-aid. Our second reviewer says that sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. In the multiple attempts that I experienced, sometimes the strips were able to work a bit, but overall they were not very effective. The last reviewer has an example and mentions that moisturizing and hydrating might help. I agree with this statement, as I have tested these during the wintertime when my skin was very dry, and perhaps in a different condition, it might increase the overall efficacy of this product. Now, when looking at the 1-stars, the 1-stars mostly just mention that the product didn't work. However, when looking at our overall rating, we still have 4.4 out of 5 stars. And if we combine the 5 and the 4 stars, we have an overall rating distribution of 84%, which leads to my conclusion. So for the conclusion, we did look at the unboxing, we saw our product features, and although this product did not work for me, it is possible that it could work for you. It is my understanding that people have different types of skin and environmental factors in which they may have significant results depending on the person. My suggestion is to look at other reviews and determine if they might be right for you. So if this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like and subscribe if you wish.